everyone. Welcome to day 8 of our computer skills training. Today we are diving into Microsoft Excel, a spreadsheet program used to organize data, make calculations, and analyze information. So let's open our Microsoft Excel from here. Just like we saw in Word, we'll go with the blank document. So this is a blank workbook. Let's get ourselves familiar with the interface. So this is the title bar, like Microsoft Word. It's exactly the same. The ribbon, the tabs, and then the status bar is also here. Then this is sheet one, where we are right now. It's our worksheet, but this is sheet one. So if you want to add another sheet, you use the plus sign in the circle. Then you can get another sheet over here. So it's very familiar with Microsoft Word, just has some slight differences. In Excel, this is our worksheet. Then these are rows. These are rows. Then these are columns. Column A, column B, column C. We have a cell. So where the cursor is a cell. These are cells. All these are cells. But where the cursor is called an active cell. That is, it means that that is where you are currently working at. That is an active cell, but the rest are called cells. Then we have the formula bar. This is the formula bar. Now in Excel naming, it takes the name of the column and then the number of the row. So as you can see here, the active cell is A1. So that's how we name the cells in Excel. This is the name box. So this is a random data. Now, just like we saw in Word, this is the font section, then the alignment section. But the only thing that is different here is that when we select our cells, maybe I want to merge these cells so that this will be the title of my data. Yes, so you just come to merge and center under the alignment section for merge and center here. I want it to be at the center, so this is where it will be. Okay, so all this while we've been looking at general input, but when you want to enter something specific, let's say you want to enter your currency, you come here under the number section, then you choose what you want to enter. Let's say you want to enter currency. So whatever you type is going to be in currency format, as you can see over here. Yes. Or if you want anything else like percentage, you see it converts it into percentage. Then we have conditional formatting under the style section. So conditional formatting, let's say you want to highlight some set of cells. So let's say you want to highlight some set of cells. First of all, let's select our figures here. Then when we come to the conditional formatting, let's say I want to highlight some set of cells. So I'll choose greater than. So here you input what you want to do. So I want to format cells that are greater than, let's say 110. So here you can choose the color that you want to highlight it with. So let's leave it to the light red. Then you click on OK. So you can see that it has highlighted the figures that are more than 110 over here. We have format as a table. We can format our input here as a table. So any table format that you want. So let's go with this. So you format it. They say where is your data for your table? And you can see that it has selected this. all the way from A1 to Gene4. Yes, so I'll click on OK. If your table has headers, you check the box here. Yes, my table has headers, so I'll check the box, then click on OK. So you can see that it has formatted it as a table for us. Then we have insert. Under the cells section, in case you want to insert cells, let's say column 5 and under F, we want to insert some we want to insert columns. You see it has inserted another column over here, column 5. Or if you want to delete it, this is it. We want to delete it, so we just delete the table column. So it goes back to its original state. Then we have format. These are basic, row height, and the rest. We have auto sum. So what the auto sum does is it helps you, like it's a formula. So if you want to sum up your inputs here, or you want to find the average, maximum, or anything, you can just put the cursor, you make where you want to input it to the active cell. So I'll put my cursor here, then come back to auto sum, select sum. So you see it's a formula. So I've selected sum for it. In case you want to find the average of these numbers, you just use the average, yeah. And the rest, you want to find the maximum. Yes, and so on. Okay, so just as I mentioned during our word class, I told you that if you want to save, you just come here, then we click on save as, since we are saving for the first time. Now, mind you that this is a worksheet, but when you are saving it, you save it as a workbook. So we are going to save our workbook. So we browse, then choose a place or a location for our workbook. It already maintains that extension for you. So you just need to type in what you want to. So you just need to type in the file name. Um, 28-day data. Then I come to my documents. Then I save it there. So we saved our workbook. All too soon, we've come to the end of today's section. Today, we got familiar with the Excel interface and looked at the tools under the Home tab. So, next section, we'll look at the other tabs and their tools. Stay tuned. Bye.